Job of the day. This trailer has 2 broken springs. I came out to look at this yesterday for brakes. It does have broken wiring on the front right axle, so I'm going to fix that, but looking at it, I found a broken spring on both sides of the front axle. So we're going to tell you that right now. Taking U-bolts off. This thing's been broken for a while. I haven't noticed. That's pretty wild. Oh, and I'm gonna have to cut off the other one. New spring is on. 7/8 for the socket for the nut and 13/16 for the bolt head. I should be able to just drop it down on top of it. Axle's gonna fall. There we go. New U-bolt kit. It looks like I'm gonna have to cut the bottom of these U-bolts. Tighten U-bolts, and I'm not tall enough. Fudge sickles. Wire this brake in, check the brakes, and then cut the bottom of the U-bolts. New shackle links, new bolts, new nuts, new U-bolt, new spring. This side's done. This axle is now rewired back into the brakes. Let's cut the bottom of the U-bolts. Bottom of the U-bolts are cut. Passenger side is free spinning. Rear locked up, front locked up. Perfect. And tire and wheel going back on. I think that was 3/4. Yeah, that is. Wonder why they have 1 3/4 lug nut on this. There we go. Everything's out from underneath. It's free spinning, free spinning. Let's do the other side. Driver's side is up in the air. Front is free spinning. Rear is free spinning. Locked up. Front locked up. Rear locked up. All brakes work. This front spring is broken, so let's change this out. This is a ground that broke off, so let's put another ground on there. And U-bolt's coming off. U-bolt is off. Shackle links are elongated. Front spring is out, and that's where it was broken right there. Let's get a new spring on. Needed a bushing. Get front tight. Ground is on, zip tie is on, new spring, new U-bolt, new bolts, everything's tight, and you need to cut the bottom of these. U-bolts are cut. Tires and wheels are on. I got my tester plugged in, lights are on. And we got one light out right there, but let's see if it's just a plug. Turn on brake lights, and if we have brake lights, we got left turn, right turn. We got right turn, we got left turn. Let's go back to tail lights, see if it's just a wire that got disconnected. And it is. I was able to get the light working, so all lights work now. All right, 2 front springs, 1 U-bolt kit, 6 bolts and nuts, and 4 shackle links for the front axle. I'm gonna torque everything. Oh, I did check all the lights. I rewired the 1 bullet light on the back, and I rewired the front passenger side brake. All brakes work, so let's torque lug nuts. All lug nuts torqued. This job's done. I'm on to the next.